So you want to make better rugs. Here's a couple of tips that can help you out. First, make sure that the fabric is very tight on the frame to where you're able to flick it and it's pretty hard. After that, when you're using the projector to project the image onto the fabric, make sure that you trace the lines extremely close to perfect. Otherwise, when you're tufting, you're gonna realize that your rug doesn't look exactly like the image. Now, when you're actually tufting, make sure that your lines are fairly close to each other. I already mentioned this on the first video on the channel, but make sure that all of your lines are neatly put together. Even when you're using different colors, make sure that they're close. Or you can do what I did in the Appa video and detail one color before adding in the next. Now, the next tip is really optional. When you're shaving down a rug and you want it to look more professional, I'd recommend shaving the ends to get more of a rounded edge on your borders. Now that you're basically done with the tufting part, make sure when you're gluing you spread it even. Otherwise, parts of the rug can be pulled up or it could just lose its fabric. Now, normally when it comes to tufting a rug, you might have to use 2 different glues. Make sure both of them are spread evenly. This last one, I see a lot of professional detailers do. They separate the colors with scissors or tweezers, and then that's when they detail it. In my personal opinion, I recommend separating it out with tweezers. I know that it can be very strenuous, so the detail in the end is what really matters. If you want a professional rug, you need to do the professional work. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys next time. Peace.
I'm stealing one. You're back when I told you that you were the one. I still mean it now. You just being